Good morning and welcome to Axis Direct Opening Bell, a quick pre-market briefing with key global cues, overnight trends and market-moving insights to keep you ahead. We'll start with the global markets. US stocks rallied on Thursday, bouncing back after the previous day's sharp sell-off. The Dow Jones climbed 1.2%, the Nasdaq jumped 2.8%, and the S&P 500 gained 1.7%. In Asia, stocks extended the rally. South Korea's Kospi surged more than 13% this morning after chip giants SK Hynix and Samsung Electronics soared, briefly triggering a trading halt. Japan's benchmark Nikkei rose more than 3%, while Australia's ASX 200 was up 0.89% in early trading. Nifty ended the last session at 24,317, up 67 points. The index formed a small bullish candle with shadows on both sides, indicating buying interest at lower levels, although it continues to face resistance near the recent swing high of 24,367. The broader structure remains constructive as Nifty is holding above the short-term falling trend line from 7th July and its 20-day SMA. For today's session, a decisive move above 24,367 could trigger fresh buying and pave the way towards the 24,500 mark. On the downside, the previous session's low of 24,187 and the 20-day SMA at 24,123 are expected to provide immediate support. Overall, Nifty remains in a broad 24,500 to 23,650 consolidation range, and a breakout beyond either boundary is likely to determine the market's next directional trend. A resilient auto-led rally helped benchmark indices shrug off a US tech sell-off and Middle East tensions, although broader market participation remained cautious. The rupee ended nearly unchanged at 95.68 against the US dollar amid crude oil volatility and RBI intervention, while FIIs bought 3,624 crores rupees in the cash market, taking the monthly net inflow to 20,817 crores rupees. Nifty futures gained 47 points on short covering, with open interest declining 0.6% to 142.8 lakhs shares, shedding 0.80 lakhs shares, while premiums narrowed from 61 to 41 points. Bank Nifty futures slipped 50 points in a fresh short build-up, with open interest rising 2.2% to 23.0 lakhs shares, adding 0.49 lakhs shares, while premiums increased from 139 to 147 points. Options activity remained constructive, with fresh call additions at 24,500, put hedging at 24,300, and unwinding of calls at 24,200 and puts at 24,700. A 2-to-1 put-skewed exchange lifted Nifty PCR from 1.18 to 1.26, while Bank Nifty PCR eased from 0.95 to 0.93. India VIX edged up 1.2% to 12.15. The FII long-short ratio improved from 0.11 to 0.12. FIIs added index futures while writing options to keep volatility in check. Meanwhile, proprietary traders reduced calls and stock futures while adding puts, leaving retail participants exposed as they accumulated options and stock futures while reducing index futures. For today, watch 24,100 as strong support and 24,550 as major resistance. That's it for today. Please note that this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please refer to our website for the full disclaimer. Thank you and see you in the next episode. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.